did you get?
Money.
Can you go over there? Go over here. Go back over there. Okay. What a cute little butt. Okay, Cole.
My daddy.
What?
My daddy.
That's not your money. No, I think that's Allison's.
No? Ashley.
Oh, it's Ashley's? Are you teasing them with their money?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for the money. Thank you for the presents and the money. Thank you for the presents and the money.
Cole.
Ow!
Cole.
Money!
Cole. Can you say thank you? Say thank you. Aunt Kathy. Say Aunt Kathy.